Most people think boredom is useless, but here's the secret. Boredom isn't wasting your time. It could actually be one of the best ways to boost your brain power. In fact, the latest science shows that boredom sparks creativity, strengthens memory, and helps you make smarter decisions. Let's break it down. When you're bored, your brain isn't shutting down, it's switching modes. A network called the default mode network turns on. That's the same system your brain uses for planning the future, connecting ideas, and even creating insights. So, while scrolling TikTok trains your brain for distraction, letting your mind wander during boredom is literally training your brain to get smarter. Here are the 7 biggest ways boredom boosts your intelligence. Number 1. Creativity. Studies show that doing boring tasks, like copying numbers or reading dull text, actually increases creativity afterward. Your brain starts searching for stimulation, and that fuels new ideas. Number 2. Problem solving. Ever had a breakthrough in the shower? That's incubation. When you step away into boredom, your brain recombines ideas and often finds the solution you were missing. Number 3. Memory. Quiet, low-stimulation rest after learning, literally just sitting without your phone, improves recall for days or even a week. Boredom gives your brain the glue time it needs to lock in information. Number 4. Future planning. Most of our daydreams aren't random. Research shows mind-wandering often looks ahead, making plans, simulating obstacles, and sequencing steps. That's strategic thinking in disguise. Number 5. Curiosity. Boredom creates a stimulation gap, and when curiosity finally kicks in, it turbocharges memory and motivation. That's why ideas that come after boredom often stick the longest. Number 6. Attention restoration. Digital overload fries your focus, but boredom, especially through soft fascination like walking without a podcast, lets your attention recharge. Number 7. Peace. In today's overstimulated world, boredom is one of the few times your brain can rest. When you're not flooded with notifications or endless input, stress hormones drop, mental tension eases, and your nervous system resets. This isn't just relaxing, it's essential for long-term mental health and emotional resilience. So how do you use boredom instead of running from it? Try these simple strategies. Quiet rest. After studying or learning something, take 10-20 minutes of no-phone downtime. Your memory will thank you. Boredom, then brainstorm. Do 10 minutes of a dull task, then brainstorm ideas. You'll get more and better ones. No input walk. Go outside without headphones or podcasts. Let your thoughts wander. You'll come back recharged, more focused, and often more creative. So the next time you feel bored, don't fight it, embrace it, because boredom is brain training for creativity, memory, and smarter decisions. If you want to turn boredom into a real productivity tool, try these methods and see what ideas surface. And if you want more tips for unlocking your brain power, check out my other video on social media after you finish watching this one. Your brain will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed brain upgrades. Stay smart.